Hi there. My name is Carlos, and I've been teaching computer science for the last 15 years from the elementary to the college level. And we've created our Zero to Computer Science Hero course to help teachers and classroom facilitators really hone in on their skills within the computer science disciplines and take a high level as well as an interactive approach to learning the different frameworks according to the Computer Science Teacher Association standards. This class will help teachers really learn the entire spectrum of computer science, from first looking at it through the lens of problem solving, then programming, and finally pillars such as hardware, software, and networking, the history and social impacts of computing, and actual pedagogy and best practices for delivering computer science in the classroom. Let's dive into the introduction, where you'll see how we've connected the National Computer Science Teacher Standards to what it means to deliver an effective computer science curriculum in the classroom. So teachers are able to see the full lens of computer science, and we first start off with the connection to computational thinking. Our course is built around the specific definition of computer science from the Computer Science Teachers Association, which is the study of computers and algorithmic processes, including their principles, hardware, software, applications, and impact on society. So our course, if you look here, is broken into 7 different modules, and each of the modules provide an interactive experience for teachers to dive in, watch videos, practice, learn more about what it means to be a computer scientist. This is a great course to help teachers break into the world of computer science and give an all-around view of what it means to teach computer science today. Now, many teachers know more than they might think, but we call it from zero to CS Hero because from beginner to expert, there's something in the course that you'll learn and be able to apply.